Also place our spring onion into our soup bowls. This dried, rehydrated shiitake mushroom we can cut into slices that can also go into our soup. We'll heat our liquid up. Just before it gets to a simmer, we'll add in all of our dried and fresh mushrooms, and we'll let them simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Once the mushrooms feel soft, we'll add in our miso. I'm using 2 tablespoons of aka miso or gunmai miso. The way that I incorporate the miso into the broth, I use a ladle to hold the miso, and then I slowly add little bits of the stock, mixing with chopsticks until everything is incorporated. Then I'll slowly pour that ladle of miso, slightly loosened by the stock, into the rest of the soup. Miso is not meant to be boiled, so once it goes into the soup, it's best to put it directly into bowls. Miso soup is an easy and delicious side to any meal. Thanks for watching.